everybody. We are heading to the beach today. It is Eno's birthday and we're gonna have a beach day. Lucas, are you gonna swim? Why does he look like that?
You bless, go, you bless.
You bless your
Keep
uncle.
the mask on, mask on.
You bless your Uncle Mickey.
You're trying. Andrew, you're trying.
Hypnotized.
It's just sugar.
Sugar. Try it.
Straight sugar.
Okay.
Where is Pia? Oh, there! Lucas, Pia! Say hi! Are you happy, Lucas? Yes!
We're at the beach now. It's such low tide, so you see like all this is all just sand. I think they said in December it's like super low tide here, so look at the dog. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out here for the day for Eno's birthday, and then yeah, not much planned. Yeah. Thank you.
Chocolate here, ube here.
We are just exploring. This is the, what is it? The Loha Resort? Loha Aqua Resort. This is Taiwan's most famous milk tea.
You want? Okay.
Matcha with
salted
Napon.
Sila
Miki, get your
bukas pa yun.
Get na sila magsiro dire.
Wow.
Ah, 9 day? Yeah, do that.
Yuli, o yaman sila.
What is it?
Kaya na ka lang.
I have to
Selfie
hide
ka
it.
na lang, Sal.
Oh yeah.
Off the sound.
Oh wow.
Huh?
It's a Chinese.
You have to close your eyes, and I move it, and I go like this, and then you have to stab it.
Try stab.
Okay.
And you have to stab it.
I have to know where it
Here,
is.
yeah, based off the sound.
One, two.
Again. Second try.
Look careful.
Oh my gosh, that's so close!
Oh! You did it.
Okay, your turn. Come on. Wow.
Okay, ready.
You got the boba. Wow, your sensory is not good.
Is that bad?
No, yeah, it was really bad. Okay.
What happened? Ala. Ayos yung taglain.
Sorry, Julia. Another pit stop. We're getting some halo-halo. I'm so full from the boba and chicken wings, but always room for halo-halo. This is our house. I think you guys saw it when Paul was vlogging before, because I was getting my nails done. So this is my first time seeing the house. Wow. Okay, backsplash. This is the backyard. It's still getting finished and all that fun stuff, but look at our view from the back. This is beautiful. Got the coconuts. The lighting in here is so nice. There's windows everywhere. Got a balcony up here.
You're gonna go up there to see the sunset.
Up there? What the heck?
Paula went up there.
What are you gonna do with this land over there?
The plan is I'm gonna make a pool in there. Then it's gonna be like a pond here for a koi. Then another couple of small cottages there.
Wow. Okay, chandeliers. Oh, there's two rooms in here, Ma? Oh, it's a shared bathroom right there. Wait, this is such a cute little vanity thing. Shower. Okay, Mom and Dad, go off. I love their little light fixtures. Wow. We're at the mall now, we're shopping. Angel wants to match me. I kind of want to get another black one. I don't know, this has been like so amazing because it just fits everything. Is that the color you're gonna get? They're at Uniqlo. Okay guys, we're starting to pack our stuff for the US. I got a bunch of chips and snacks that I normally won't find in Asian stores. Even in the same chips that I find in the Asian store, it doesn't taste the same. So, got that. Crab and corn, yatos, mangwan for Mr. Pia. Also got some corned beef. You know, these are for my aunt. Yeah. Alright guys, we are back. A little blurry, hold on. Anyways, so we just got done our shopping that I'm gonna bring back to the States. I brought all my kopiko, all my chichirya, all of that. And now we're packing because tomorrow we are going to Don Carlos and we're celebrating New Year's there. So that's, we also have all of our families going over there to celebrate New Year's, which is gonna be fun. Our place in Don Carlos, that's where our Uncle Yuji lives, and that's like the ancestral, like the Jorge's ancestral house. That's what my dad says. And yeah, that's honestly like a big core memory, just like always just going back to that house. And yeah, so we're gonna go there. I think we're gonna be there for like 3 days, and then we come back I think the 1st, yeah, and then we're gonna be home for I think like 3 days, and then we go back to the States, guys. Isn't that crazy? That's kind of like the itinerary of what, I don't necessarily know exactly what we're doing in Don Carlos, but we're gonna celebrate New Year's there, and then probably I think we're gonna go to do some swimming, just play basketball. I remember we would always like go through this street that has like little stores and there's basketball, and we'd always just like play outside. So yeah, we're excited to see how the house looks, because I heard it also looks really different from what it used to look like. So yeah, very exciting. I am still vlogging, even though this isn't technically 12 days of Vlogmas anymore because I did the 12 days already, but I'm just gonna keep vlogging because why not? Nobody's complaining yet about my vlog. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy me continuing to vlog, because I'm gonna keep vlogging right now. But that's all for today. We're gonna finish packing and then another travel day tomorrow. Bye.